We're back on the road, heading over the St. Lawrence River to Quebec City. We spent 3 nights at Kelly's friend's place. They had an extra bed in their basement, so we stayed there. We got to spend some quality time with Kelly's friends. It was my first time meeting them, so it was very nice.
And then follow with Nelson Sud, which is harder, but
just like friends?
yeah.
Yeah.
So Julie, I brought Julie there a couple of times to ski in that mountain. It's easier than the other one I showed you.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Lunchtime. Look at this. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Now we're going to head to a park and try to find a campsite. We do have quite a bit of rain coming in the next week, so we're hoping that it's not too much. We can still be able to get out and hike and have fun. We're going to sit back and enjoy the ride. Away we go! First meal in Canada, gotta do the poutine. Well, I feel like cooking outside this evening, but it feels like there's some rain coming in. I'm gonna take a chance. I got the camp stove set up out here, so we're gonna get going before the rain comes. Yes. Oh yeah. I'm hungry. You hungry?
I'm starving. Okay, maybe not starving,
All
but
right.
I'm pretty hungry. Green onion.
Green onion, hot sauce. Yeah. Dink. Ooh, juicy. Man, that's good.
Kind of perfect.
All right, well, we managed to get a little bit of clearing with the rain, so we're out on a hike, coming up to a viewpoint here. It's pretty fantastic. Trees are all starting to change, a lot of leaves on the ground. So we're gonna pop down on this bench here and soak it all in. on the map it's got a few scenic points marked with a red chair. We've come across some benches, but they're not the ones that were marked like these are. You can see Kelly's up here already. Hey, did you save me a seat?
Yeah.
Nice.
Spots taken.
Hey, these aren't too bad, huh?
Yeah.
Let's have some lunch.
Chair with a view.
Jeez. I'll take it.
PB and J pad.
Well, we made it back to camp. That was about a good 5-mile hike or so. And it's starting to cloud over again. Supposed to get some more rain this evening, so it's very nice that it cleared up for us for our hike. Little look at our little campsite here. Pretty basic. And still very few people here. I think we've seen 1 or 2 other campers. Only saw 1 other person on the trail. Okay, well, we are waking up to a rainy morning this morning. Still getting a good amount of rain. It's supposed to rain most of the day today until late afternoon. It rained all night and it's starting to come down good now. So we're going to move on from this campsite and just continue our way through the park. There's a pretty good loop through this park that we're just going to continue to drive. And hopefully the rain will let up a little bit and we can stop and maybe do another hike or 2. So we'll see. We're just going to move on from here and find the next parking area. And then we have an overnight spot set up for tonight outside of the park. It's just a trailhead parking lot that we're going to try to utilize. Try to roll in a little bit later, just spend the night and get up in the morning and move on. We'll be continuing west. So we're going to get packed up here, pretty much ready to roll, and move on out of here. What do you see?
I see raindrops.
Raindrops.
Foggy lens raindrops. And a lake.
All right, and just like that, the sun is back out and we got blue skies. And that changed quickly. Just steam coming off the blacktop here. So we're geared up. Let my raincoat dry out here in the sun for a minute. We're gonna head back out, do another hike. Oh, very peaceful spot out here. Just super nice. This hillside here, full of color. Well, that was a good little hike. We are. See the vans in the lot. Only 1 other car here. And the clouds are rolling in again. We may see some more rain. A nice little break though. That was a good one, buddy. You're in the shadows. Alright, so we found this trailhead parking lot that we're going to try to overnight in. It's getting dark already, so we pulled in basically after dark. That was the idea. There is kind of a bright light on, a porta potty, trash can at the trailhead, and 1 other looking like a camper type vehicle here. So we're just going to go ahead and give it a shot. Hopefully we can get a good night's sleep. Try not to attract too much attention here, so I'm going to turn my light off. give you a peek out the front. You can see it's already getting dark. There's Kelly next to me on that light over on the other end of the parking lot. There's a car next to me, and then kind of like a tent trailer camper down the end. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get a good night's sleep here. Again, I'm going to try to stay low key here, turn the lights back off, sack out for the night, and check it in the morning. Hopefully it's a quiet night.